Yo, I'm living life to its fullest. You know who it is? It's SLP. Here we go. Yo, you can live life to its fullest. Just be smart and be the coolest. Yeah, you can be like me. Don't do drugs. Be drug-free. Cigarettes. Never do the things. One thing you could do is eat some chicken wings. Yeah, put some meat on them bones. T-Pain. I think he's on my ringtones. Man, you should come and see my studio. It's my bedroom, but I think it's coolio. Don't tell a girl that she ugly, it's a fact. If you're up close, prepare to get a smack. Oh god, that stuff hurts. But trust me, bro, that's not the worst. Yo, always right at pay. It's hard to do now, I can feel the rage. Yeah, and it's like midnight, I have a close friend, and he is white. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Him and his twin, you know that we in the pool. Yo, you know how frogs always say ribbit. Hey girl, I mean get digits. Don't worry baby, I'll be on soon. I'll have another album, just stay tuned.